Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another digital essay, not a digital SAT, the AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of a Line. By the way, you might face this question in the digital SAT exam as well, because this topic overlaps with AP Precalculus and the digital SAT. Anyway, let A is 3 and 6 and the B is 2t plus 1 and 4 be 2 points. If the midpoint of AB is equidistant to both axes, find the possible values of it. So we're talking about a midpoint in here. In that case, we will need to write the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Oops. And y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And this is x1, this is y1, x2, and y2. If you will substitute these values, it's 3 plus 2t plus 1 over 2, 6 plus 4 plus 2. So m is equals to 4 plus 2t divided by 2, and 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. You can also simplify the x coordinate further, because 4 and 2t are the multiple of 2. You can divide them both of them by 2, which will becomes 2 plus t and comma 5. And they're saying that the coordinates of the midpoint is equidistant from the axis. So what does this mean? Let me draw coordinate plane try to explain this on here. X and y value. We know the y value of the midpoint, which is 5. But the x point coordinate given as 2 plus t. Is it a positive x? Let's see, is this point here? Or it can be also the negative value. Right? So this is 2t, 2 plus t, and 5. And this will be on the next side, negative parentheses 2 plus t and 5. So that's why we're going to make him equal to, let's solve it for the one positive value. 2 plus t is equal to 5. Then we'll take away 2 from both sides. The value of t will be equal to 3. For the negative value, we can say 5 is equals to negative 2 plus t, and this is 5 is equals to negative 2 minus 3 minus t, and add 2. 7 is equals to negative t, but t is equals to negative 7, because we need to divide both sides by negative 1. So the value of t will be negative 7 in this case. There you have it. I mean, if you want to check your answer, you can just substitute these values in the equation. So like, for instance, if you will substitute negative 7 for the t, let me show you. The point A is 3 and 6. And the point B, if you will substitute negative 7, what happens? Negative 7, 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Plus 1 is negative 13. And the y value will be equal to 4. And as you can see, so if you will add these two together, so midpoint will be 3 plus negative 13 over 2, and the 6 plus 4 over 2. So the midpoint will be Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. Divided by 2 is positive 5. As you can see, 5 is equal to negative 5, which we were looking for. So this is how we solve this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.